The clip of the bread bag is gold and few people know its value. Almost all plastic food bags bring this clip with them that helps seal them better, and that many people throw away once they uncover the bag. But you will not do it again, because today I will show you various uses that you can give to this part of the bags, and that will help you solve problems that you surely have in your house. Number 1. Many people have keys at home that look very similar. Instead of writing on top, put adhesive tape that comes off over time, or even tie them with thread, you can better use these clips as an alternative. I would like to know from where you see us to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Antonio Contreras from Honduras, so you will know how to identify them quickly. Number 2. It has surely happened to you that when trying to use the adhesive tape, you do not find the tip of the roll, and you have to look for something pungent to find it. Well, no more, since when you finish, you can put a bag clip on the end and never more you will have problems finding it. Number 3. If you have messy and tangled cables saved, this can cause them to be damaged or that you lose time untangling them. You can use a clip of these and this will not be a problem again. Number 4. When you have a party at home and after serving the drink, you have forgotten which is your glass. You can mark it with a clip of these and you will immediately know which one is yours. Number 5. When you finish washing and you want to keep the socks tidy and not get lost, you can use one of these clips for this. Number 6. If you have old flip-flops of these that have a hole in the middle and you are already digging, you can use one of these clips to hold. It works great. These clips are small and can be carried in a pocket. Number 7. At the time of finishing reading a book, and you do not want to lose the page where you stayed, you can put a clip of these and it will work great. Number 8. If after cooking in the pan there are food residues, you can take them off using these clips and it will be much easier to scrub them.